If you've been pondering over WooCommerce and Magento for your e-commerce business, this video is for you. We'll compare both platforms' features, costs, ease of use, and more. Stick around to find a solid footing in your decision-making process. Let's get into it. Starting with WooCommerce is an open-source e-commerce plugin for WordPress. It's user-friendly and perfect for small businesses or those with limited technical expertise. The platform is also highly customizable, thanks to its vast library of plugins and themes. Moving on to Magento, also known as Adobe Commerce, it caters to businesses of all sizes. This open-source platform is known for its scalability, flexibility, and capacity to handle large product catalogs and high traffic volumes. Magento's complexity requires a higher level of technical know-how. Considering the ease of use, WooCommerce is often seen as more user-friendly, especially if you're already familiar with WordPress. Magento might demand a learning curve, but it can provide powerful features for your online store once mastered. When it comes to cost, both WooCommerce and Magento offer free versions, but availing of Magento's advanced features might involve additional costs. As for customization, both platforms offer extensive options. However, if we compare, Magento has the upper hand, offering a wider variety of themes and templates. WooCommerce integrates seamlessly with WordPress, so it's an excellent choice for businesses already operating a WordPress website. Magento is also integrated with several other platforms and might require a technical touch. Magento can handle a larger number of integrations due to its robust framework. Let's look at support. Both platforms boast large, active communities of developers ready to provide support and assistance. What about performance? Both e-commerce solutions are reliable and powerful. However, WooCommerce is commonly seen as easier to set up, whereas Magento might need server configuration and technical expertise for optimal performance. WooCommerce is a free plugin, but you might need to purchase additional plugins or themes for enhanced functionality. Magento comes as a free edition with all e-commerce functionalities. It also offers a premium edition with additional features and support. While WooCommerce is perfect for small to medium businesses, Magento's superior scalability makes it excellent for all business sizes, including larger enterprises. Both platforms work with multiple payment gateways, offering various ways for your customers to pay. Last, security is a forte of both WooCommerce and Magento. Both platforms regularly provide updates to keep your online store safe. Overall, both WooCommerce and Magento stand strong as robust e-commerce platforms. With its advanced features, WooCommerce is easier to use and apt for small businesses, while Magento is ideal for mid to larger businesses. Evaluate your business requirements, technical expertise, and budget before choosing. Now that you have a clearer comparison of WooCommerce and Magento, the ball is in your court. We'd like to know which one you choose in the comments section. Remember to like, comment, and share this video if you found it useful. Be sure to subscribe to our channel and stay tuned for more.